The rise of the DINKs, dual income, no kids. Choosing career over kids, the growing phenomenon of DINKs and what it means for society. Ahoy there, trendsetters. Have you heard about the latest lifestyle craze sweeping through contemporary society? It's called DINKs, dual income, no kids, and it's shaking up traditional family structures faster than a blender on turbo mode. Picture this: couples trading in diaper duty for double incomes, opting for a life of freedom, fun, and financial stability. It's like hitting the jackpot in the game of life and shouting "no kids, no problem" at the top of your lungs. Why choose the DINK life, you ask? Well, it's all about chasing dreams, climbing career ladders, and indulging in hobbies without a mini-me tugging at your sleeve. From jet-setting adventures to Netflix marathons in your pajamas, the world is your oyster when you're DINKs. So, as the DINK tribe grows and the pitter-patter of little feet is replaced by the click-clack of keyboards and the chime of happy hour bells, it's time to raise a toast to the diversity of paths to happiness in today's wacky world. Cheers to living life on your own terms, one DINK at a time. Are you or do you know anybody who is part of a DINK household? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. The rise of the DINKs marks a significant shift in societal attitudes towards marriage, family, and personal fulfillment. Historically, marriage and parenthood were seen as essential milestones in adulthood, with couples expected to settle down, start a family, and prioritize their children's well-being above all else. However, as social and economic dynamics evolve, more couples are questioning these traditional norms and redefining what it means to lead a fulfilling life. For many DINK couples, the decision to forgo parenthood is a deliberate choice driven by a variety of factors. One significant factor is the desire to prioritize personal and professional goals. With both partners contributing to the household income, DINK couples have more financial stability and autonomy, allowing them to pursue their individual career aspirations without the constraints of childcare responsibilities. This freedom enables DINKs to advance their careers, pursue higher education, or explore entrepreneurial ventures without the added pressure of raising children. Breaking tradition: how DINKs are redefining happiness and fulfillment in today's world. Redefining fulfillment and happiness. Only a minority, 21% of DINKs explicitly express a lack of desire for parenthood. Additionally, the rise of the DINKs reflects changing attitudes towards the concept of family and fulfillment. In the past, parenthood was often viewed as the ultimate source of happiness and fulfillment, with couples expected to find meaning and purpose through their children. However, as societal norms evolve, and the cost of living becomes more challenging, more individuals are recognizing that fulfillment can be found through other avenues such as personal growth, travel, and leisure pursuits. By embracing the DINK lifestyle, couples are challenging the notion that parenthood is the only path to fulfillment and happiness. If you are getting value out of this video, please share with somebody who might like it. Word of mouth goes a long way in helping us grow. Financial freedom and lifestyle choices. Recent surveys reveal that 33% of DINKs cite financial freedom as their primary motivation for being child-free. Moreover, the decision to remain child-free allows DINK couples to enjoy a higher standard of living and greater financial security. Without the financial burden of raising children, DINKs have more disposable income to invest in their own well-being. Whether it's purchasing a home, traveling the world, or indulging in luxury experiences, this financial freedom provides DINKs with the opportunity to create a lifestyle that aligns with their values and priorities, rather than conforming to societal expectations. Challenges and misconceptions. 26% of DINKs say they chose the lifestyle due to medical reasons. The DINK life, where the grass is greener, the bills are paid, and the only crying you hear is from your bank account when you splurge on a fancy dinner. But hey, it's not all sunshine and unicorns in DINKland. Like John Mayer said, am I living it right? One big misconception: that DINK couples are just a pair of selfish hermits hoarding all their cash for a rainy day. Au contraire, my friend. DINKs are out there making it rain in their communities through volunteer work, philanthropy, and advocating for causes they believe in. And let's not forget the unsolicited opinions from Aunt Mildred or your nosy neighbor Nancy, who can't wrap their heads around the idea of a happy life without a minivan full of screaming kids. DINK warriors march to the beat of their own child-free drum, unapologetic in their quest for happiness and adventure. So here's to the DINKs, the resilient rebels rewriting the rulebook on marriage and family life, one spontaneous vacation at a time. The rise of the DINKs represents a paradigm shift in societal attitudes towards marriage, family, and personal fulfillment. By choosing to forgo parenthood in favor of personal and professional pursuits, D.I.N.K couples are challenging traditional norms and embracing a lifestyle that aligns with their values and priorities. As the number of D.I.N.K households continues to rise, it prompts reflection on the diverse paths to happiness and fulfillment in today's world, and underscores the importance of autonomy, choice, and individuality in shaping one's life journey. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for listening and stay financially savvy.